Well, there are 13 airlines flying the A380. We've sold over 300 aircraft, and about half of them have been delivered. In fact, one airline, Emirates, has 59 A380s in operation today. In fact, every 4 minutes, an A380 is taking off or landing somewhere in the world. That's every 4 minutes, 24/7, an A380 takes off or lands somewhere in the world. I hate to use examples for individual airlines, but this is so obvious, I'm sure British Airways doesn't mind. They had 3 747s flying from London Heathrow to Los Angeles every day, and passengers were happy. They realized they could put 2 A380s on that same route. They made more money, the passengers were even happier, market share improved because the aircraft is comfortable, the seats are bigger, it's much quieter. So here's a win-win. The airline is happy, they make more money, the passenger is happy, he has a better flight. The A380 is about twice the size of a 787 or even our own A350. So we have 350s to compete with the 787, but no airline in the world would think that an A380 and a 787 are comparable aircraft and could be substituted for each other. You would need 2 787 flights to handle the passengers on one A380, and it would cost you more money, and you'd burn more fuel, you'd make more noise. That's not a win-win for anybody. I think it's just a matter of time in the U.S. market. The 747 hasn't played very well in the U.S. market, but as the U.S. airlines move more into Asia, more into those big hubs that we see around the world, they'll need the A380. And then, of course, the passengers will demand the A380. Well, we constantly talk to our customers, and there have been rumors out in the field about whether we are going to look at new engines on the airplane, new aerodynamic improvements on the aircraft. These are evolutionary changes. They're part of the system of keeping an airplane alive for up to 40 or 50 years. And this program will be around 40 to 50 years from now. No doubt in my mind about that.